So someone asked me a question, what is the minimum annual income to set up a sacred account? So there really isn't a minimum annual income. If you have any income, you can say, hey, I want to put some of this in a sacred account. Generally speaking, you can put about 15% of your income in the sacred account. And again, you're asking, what is a sacred account? This is a word we use to describe high early cash value, dividend paying whole life insurance. You may have heard of this as infinite banking concept, bank on yourself, cash flow banking, ton of different words. We call it the sacred account. It's designed a very specific way. Okay, so you can put in generally about 15% of your income into this. So if you do the backwards math on that, it really depends on what are your bills. Right? So if I want to put in $500 a month, if I divide that by 15%, that's going to give me the total income that I need to have in order to show the insurance company that I can afford $500 a month. Right? Now, if I don't have that, then I need to do a lower number. Okay? If I have more than that, I can do a greater number. But, as long as I've got more than zero, I can do something. Okay? If I have zero, it's going to be hard for me to prove, I can contribute, because they're looking at it from a standpoint of, can you keep making your contributions? Can you keep making your scheduled deposits? Okay, and if I show them no income, then it's very sketchy for them. They're like, okay, cool. Imagine going to a bank, for a car loan. Like, where's your income? You're like, I have none, right? They're not going to give you a car loan. If you're trying to set up a forced savings plan that's dependent on you making a contribution into it, same thing. If you go to the insurance company and they're like, what's your income? And you're like, I have none. They're going to be like, okay, good. Well, we can't give you a policy then. Right? So that's the math on it. That's the basic of it. You can put in a little bit more depending on how you structure. You can definitely put in less. 15% is the maximum you can generally put in. Like I said, there might be some wiggle room there, but you could do 5, 10, whatever the number is, percent of your income and still make it work. If you're wondering, what does Wealth Dynamics do? How can we actually help you? Number one, if you haven't gotten a copy of my book, Blueprint to Financial Freedom, grab one now. You can get that down in the comments in the video. You can get the link for that. Number two, we do a free course on Fridays on personal finance. Okay, you can also get the link for the description there too. And then finally, if you have a desire to start getting help walking through these different phases toward financial freedom, book a call with my team. Go to our website, set up a call. We're able to help out and answer questions. That's how we can help you. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Make sure you turn notifications on, and I will talk to you guys on the next video.